SEO in 3 minutes. What is SEO and how does it work? Hello friends, my name is Igor from Galiki Digital. In today's video I will explain you in 3 minutes what is SEO, how does it work and what's the purpose. If you found this video useful, just let me know in the comment section. I would really appreciate your time. Just let's get started, okay? What is SEO? SEO is an acronym from Search Engine Optimization. Basically, SEO contains techniques improving your website visibility across many search engines. We mainly focus on Google since it's the most popular search engine and has been used worldwide. So whenever you type some keyword inside the search field of your browser, it will show you the 10 most relevant websites to answer your query. Being first on Google is very important for any business to survive, get more clicks, more organic traffic, which might convert to sales or contact. Did you know that first 5 positions in Google have almost 68% of clicking chances in Google? There are things that we as SEO consultants know that Google algorithm prefer. We can implement strategies that can improve your website rank organically high. There are 3 types of SEO that I prefer, that I do. The first one is on-page SEO or technical SEO. It's optimizing your website content, like fixing dead internal links, optimizing your website loading speed, basically everything that is on your website. Off-page SEO, where there are external links linking to your website, posted on many discussion boards, review boards, website like blog posts that are as much as possible relevant to your business niche. Word of mouth marketing also applies to this type of SEO. The third, last but not least, is the local SEO, like trying to outrank your business local competition. So it suits best for small businesses or local shops, and it's a mix and match of previously explained SEO types. There are loads of different techniques and strategies that simply I cannot put in a 3-minute explainer, but I can say that a good SEO is a best long-term investment for your business. If you're seriously, of course, thinking about return of investment and getting more clicks. SEO can be done right or can be done wrong, and the truth is no one except Google engineers knows how the algorithm works. But from the other side, it's not something from yesterday, it's not something very new. You can also read about the case studies, about my clients, so feel free to read it. The link will be in the description. Just think about, like, your website is like a hot air balloon. It's very colorful, it's beautiful, but without the proper fuel, without the proper fire, nobody will see it except you and your family. So what's the point of having your website, right? So yes, I think I've made it in 3 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a like, leave a comment. I would really appreciate your time. That's it for today. Have a great day, great night. See you next time.